put the CAN Immo into service mode for services, MOTs, or if you're leaving the vehicle with someone and don't want to tell them code. Real simple. So ignition power on and get your dashboard lights on. You're now going to enter your secret code. And whatever your last button is, you hold that button for 15 seconds. I'm going to show you that now. Okay, we're going to put the code in, holding the last button for 15 seconds, and we're holding that now. Five hazard flashes means that the immobiliser is now in service mode. So if we switch the ignition off and open the door, the immobiliser hasn't flashed to rearm because it's in service mode. So you'll see that even though we've not put the code in, the vehicle still starts without putting our code in. It will stay in service mode until you do the same procedure again. So to reactivate the immobiliser, ignition power on, enter your code, hold the last button for 15 seconds, one flash. So now the immobiliser is active again. So if we turn the ignition off, open the door, we get two hazard flashes, and that's letting us know that the immobiliser is now back in action. The vehicle isn't starting. So again, the only way to start the vehicle now is ignition on, enter our secret code, get your single flash, vehicle starts.